Okay, so I'm going to go over some of these constraints and flushes, and some of these this is going to be tough for some of you guys, and that is not a bad thing. It's going to build off of what we did on the Puzzle Cube project. So one of the things that one of the new things we're going to use is the insert, and it's in constraint, and we had this on a quiz, but if you go to insert, it's going to choose like the center of a circle, and we're going to use this to put our axles and our wheels in. So I'm going to show you how I did this with the wheel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this rim of the circle because that's what's going to connect closest to my axle. So I'm going to select that, and I'm going to rotate my shape around. I'm going to select this circle that's right on the edge of my axle. When I do that and click apply, if this comes up, I think you can just click accept relationship. Now it will spin, but it's locked onto there. It's not going to move. Some of these, moving these around can get pretty difficult, and you're just going to have to kind of move it around. Being good at rotating stuff is going to help. Knowing how to delete the constraints like I'm doing right here will help. But definitely it's going to be challenging for some of you guys. So constrain, just to review, the mate. So that'll put two faces together. So I can select that inside part of my connector and then the inside part of my back. And now those two faces are locked together. But to keep doing that, I'm going to have to move this so I can add some more constraints. So I do want the top of the connector to mate to the top of that piece inside. So I'm going to click on the top of the connector and then go and click on the top of the bed and click apply. And then I might have to cancel this and move it so I can get to the next part. So now if I just do the side of the connector, rotate this around and do the side of the inside of the slot and click apply, now this should be locked together and my wheel is on there, and you're just going to keep doing a combination of all those to put together our car.